Hey, this is Mama's Natural Kitchen here. I'm going to make roast. I've already seasoned my chicken, then I'm roasting the chicken in the oven. So this is my potato here. I'm going to peel it and then peel my parsnips here. That's my veg for my roast. And then use this one as well. This is broccoli. Yeah, I'm going to cook this one, boil this, and then roast this one, season this one, roast it, roast my potato. I'm going to boil the potato first, peel it, boil, roast. Yeah, this one peel it, season, roast. This one just boil the broccoli. Okay, parsnips, broccoli, potatoes. Yeah, so I'm gonna use my peeler here. This is peeler, yeah, to peel my potato and also peel my parsnips. If you don't have peeler, you can use your normal knife to peel your, just like peeling yam or any other veg here. So I'm going to prepare everything and then see ya. Hi, this is Mama's Natural Kitchen. Today I'm going to roast a chicken. This chicken is just salt and pepper and then margarine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So this is 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of margarine here. I've melted the margarine here, as you can see here, 2 tablespoons of that. So I'm going to rub my margarine. You see, chicken is already. Sorry, I left it in the fridge overnight. Yeah, I've already seasoned the chicken and then put it in my fridge overnight. Yeah, so that's if you're making chicken. That's the best way of making your chicken. So this is 1 whole chicken here. I've seasoned salt and pepper. So I'm going to drizzle my margarine on top and then roast it for, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes until that is nice golden brown and then nice and juicy. Yeah, so this is the chicken here. So I'm going to roast the chicken in my oven, and then when it come out I'll show you. So I'm going to drizzle this oil, this margarine on top of it. In fact, I would like to brush it instead of me drizzle the whole thing. Yeah, so I'm brushing my margarine on top of it like that. And then when I know that it's everywhere. Yeah. It gives you nice flavor, you know. That's why we do that. I use butter or margarine, but this is margarine, very good margarine that I'm using here. So brush it on top on your chicken and then roast it. You roast it nice, give you very lovely flavor. Yeah, so this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, so as you can see, I've brushed oil, the margarine here as well, the back of the chicken as well, everywhere. Let the margarine go everywhere. So when you roast it, the seasoning will go everywhere. That's the same thing that you rub your salt and pepper everywhere in your chicken. So by the time that you finish, you get lovely taste. Yeah. So now I'm going to roast the chicken for, let's say, 40 minutes until that is cooked. Then I'll show you. All right. This is my potato that I'm going to have. Peeled the potato here, as you can see. So I'm going to cook the potato and then later on I'll roast it. This is my parsnips. Yeah, that I've peeled and then slice it. So I'm going to season the season here. This is my season. This is black pepper, white pepper. No, just black pepper, onion, garlic, salt, and then Cajun spice here. So I'm going to use this one, and brown sugar. I use brown sugar as well. So I'm going to use this to season my parsnips and then roast it. Okay, roast it. So let me just get my tin to my potato in and then boil it. This is my tin. I'm going to put the potato in here and then I will boil it. Okay, I don't want no noise, so I'll need to. I'll come back. Yeah, so this is that's parsnips here, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to use my season here, season everything nicely, and then roast the parsnips. So here, then it's everything. It seems well seasoned here. Close Yeah, so I'm going to tray it and then roast it in my oven. Yeah, so I'll come back again and show you how the whole thing is like. So this is my tray. I'm going to use this tray, yeah, and then put my parsnips in. Get everything. It's going to be very, very nice and beautiful. Yeah, this is it. I'm going to roast this and then later I'll serve it with my dinner. You know the dinner that I'm making? This is British dinner that I'm making. You know, once a while, try and treat your family, you know. It's not that expensive. Buy your chicken and roast it with your potato and vegetable and then treat your family. Once a while, you just treat them, make them feel good. Wherever you are, this is British dinner. So now I'm on my broccoli here. See, I'm going to break my broccoli and then cook it as well. I'm using broccoli. Yeah. Any bread that you have, I'm breaking it. Just break it one by one from the stem. Yeah, so this is the broccoli. I'm going to cook it later to go with my roast, okay? Thank you. Yeah, so now my potato is ready here, see? Yeah? So I'm going to tray it in my baking tray. This baking tray here. Yeah, I always use a baking paper here. Then my potato will not stick on my tray. That's why I use baking sheets. So this is potato. Open it a little bit. To open it a bit, yeah, so that will be easy for me to add my mash here. And then I've melted margarine, yeah, and I add oil for it. So I'm going to brush the margarine oil. This is the margarine here. I melted margarine and add a little bit of sunflower oil to it. My potatoes. So that when you cook, after you roast, to be nice, crispy, golden brown. Yeah. That is how I do mine. I'm showing you so that you also can also bake yours like that. So you can see, so now I'm going to finish brushing the butter, margarine on my potatoes here. You can see closely, look. So I'm going to roast it and then later on I'll show you how the whole thing is gonna be, okay? Yeah, hi, this is Mama's kitchen again. I finished my cooking. As you can see here, this is my roast chicken here. And then parsnips, yeah? So I'm going to serve my dinner. And that's my gravy and then broccoli, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. So show you everything here. This is my parsnips, the roasted parsnips, season 1, yeah? And that's the potato, and this is my chicken. So I'm going to serve the potato and this is roast dinner, UK for British dinner here. Once in a while you can prepare something like this for your family, okay? So that's my potato. I'm going to put some parsnips. This is, you see the parsnips? Yeah, seasoned roasted parsnips. Parsnips is very nice, you know. I always use it for my cooking. That is it. And then put some of my, let me slice some chicken here. Put it in my way and then slice some chicken on this piece. Okay, so I'm going to slice some piece of the chicken here, yeah? Chicken breast. Nice. Use my knife, scissors here to cut it. Yeah. Let's put this one away. And then this is the veg here, the broccoli. Yeah. Always use your greens. Yeah, that's the broccoli. And this is the gravy. Please, this gravy I did not show you, otherwise the video will be very, very long. I have food that coming out soon. The way that I prepare the gravy is inside, is in the video. So please, if you want to know how to make your own gravy at home, it's in that rice video that is coming out. So please check on my channel. It says sausage fried rice. That video will come before this one, so you definitely know how to make your gravy. Yeah, this is it. This is British dinner. I want you to try and make something like this for your friends and family, and then, you know, share with them, your loved ones. Okay, this is something that you can do for your family. Very, very easy. It's not too hard. I'm sure that everyone can do this. It's not very, very hard at all. So try and make something like this. Yeah, and please subscribe my channel whenever you watch my video. This is Mama Licious Natural Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Thank you.